Good morning. It is morning too. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying to make this video before I go to work. I got a couple minutes. I've had this sitting here a couple days. I had to open it so I could figure out who it was from. So this was from AliExpress, and it's from a store called Funny Kitchen Tool Store. Go figure. That's the name of the store. So it's interesting things, all right? It's an assortment of things. Let's get into the things. Fun stuff, all right? So we got some small packages here, a few small packages, and then we have some things like this, all right? So let's do this one first, because this one's the, shall I say, the most interesting one. I'm not sure really why I ordered, but I did. Well, I think I can find a use for it. I'll tell you when we open it. So this was a hunt for unique items, really. It's what it was. Unique things that are a little different that I thought I would try out. If I can get into the package. I could use scissors right now, right? All right, so here we go. This is what's in the first package. You've probably seen a few people do these before, but I haven't. All right, so they are Barrettes, which is kind of cute. They'll be just cute little shiny Barrettes. There's 3 of them. 1 on that side and 2 over there. All right, now I don't usually wear Barrettes. I might. Oh, I like these though. These aren't like, okay, I might actually, maybe on a special occasion. It has a hair in it already. It's not my hair. No, that's black. Nice. Not my hair. Ugh. Trash. Okay. I might actually try these because I like how they clip. They're clips. They're not like a real barrette. They're more like a bobby, no, not a bobby pin, just a clip. I like that. I can actually keep those in my hair. I have very fine hair and nothing stays in it. But anyhow, I thought I would try those. Here's the toolkit, pretty basic toolkit. And here's our little package of drills. And, oh, God, we got to look at these. There's some pretty stuff in here. These are, of course, special drills, and I've not seen some of these before. I caught a glimpse here. They're in little baggies, which I love. Okay, love the baggies. Oh, we have 3 separate baggies. So we have a different baggie for each barrette. Now you can look at those and you can see there's purple rhinestones right there on the top, and there's purple rhinestones for all of them. But then here's what I think changes. I think they're all the same except for this one has pink flowers, all right, and this one has some blue flowers and then white pearls. I think everything else is really the same, or pretty much the same. And this one has white flowers. So I'm not going to open all of these up, but you know, there you go. There's going to be white and pink and blue. And they all have those little flowers. And then they have some rhinestones and, you know, yeah. And purple. That's the theme that ties them together, is the purple. So my other thought was, if I didn't like them or I couldn't use them, I do have a granddaughter, you know. She's got pretty fine hair too, but you know. All right, here, let's have a strip. A strip of remove to expose adhesive. All right, make sure you remove that. And it's staticky as all get out. Okay. I know what these 2 little items are here. I really needed my scissors. Luckily, I'm in my kitchen. There are knives available. Knives available. All right. All right, there we go. You gotta be careful with some of these bags, because this item is right to the end of this bag. Let me tell you. This is a bookmark. I love the bookmarks. I'm going to give my kids, some of my kids, they're going to be some special gifts. Some of them get a bookmark. All right, this one is just flowers and, what is that right there? What is that? A dragonfly. Of course it's a dragonfly. I love the bookmarks. I have one at school that I use. It's in my book currently. And I came back from having a sub yesterday and my tassel's messed up. I'm like, how did you mess up my tassel? I got like extra string hanging out and one's long. And I'm like, how did you mess up my tassel in my book? I don't know. I have to see if I can do something with it. Anyhow, I love that these special drills all come in their own little bags. I love that. It makes it so much easier, especially if I take these places to work on them. I love the little baggies. Gold, green, pink. These are all rhinestones. Then we have the gold half pearl thingies, but they're not pearl, they're gold. We have some gold marquees, some larger green marquees, some red teardrops, and some red red globs. So, pretty colors. There you go. There's that one. I just got it because it had a dragonfly on it. So that one I probably can't give away. I got some others I'm going to give away though to kids maybe. All right. This one I know is also a bookmark, but this one is a little different. And this is why I got this one. I might not give this one away either. Maybe I won't give any of these away. I have some others though. I have some others. Like the one I did at school has a butterfly on it and pink flowers and stuff. The kids watched me make that one. They love that one. I'll probably give that one away. This one is different. There's our, okay. Here's our tassel. Again, just a brown tassel. And our toolkit. This one comes with some plastic tweezers. I want some tweezers. Our gems come pre-packaged like this. This is what's different. This is a tiger. And you see it's a full coverage. And it's squares. Yeah. I thought this one was very cool. It's little squares. There's our drill field. Easy to read. And it's full coverage. And then you get the fancy border around the outside. Pretty neat, huh? Yeah. So that's why I got this. I was like, ooh, that is like a full covered square drill bookmark. Different, right? I told you this was the hunt for unique things, right? So here is our how they come packaged, and they have DMC codes. Like this is 310, so this is black. Sorry, you can't see that. See the 310? It's black. All right. 317 is gray. So they have DMC codes on the packaging. It's some of my favorite packaging, this blue packaging. All the colors you would expect to see in a tiger. A little bit of yellow. Some orangey colors. There you go. $8.98. So that'll be cool. The drills don't even look bad. I mean, they look pretty good for a, you know, inexpensive little kit like this from the kitchen tool store. Oh, there's some more down here. A few more. $38.65. Oh, these are some larger. $9.38. Oh, that's brown. $9.38 is brown. Okay, so that'll be fun. A square drill bookmark. Yeah. Now here's my fun items. The really fun items. I was surprised when I picked this up to feel how heavy it is. It's really heavy duty. All right. You might be able to tell what it is before I even get it out of the bag. But I wear glasses. This is an eyeglass case, and I have my glasses right there. I'm going to see if it fits in here even. It looks a little small, but we'll see. So you drill the top, and it's all special drills on the top. We'll look at those in a second. And it opens like this, okay? So this is how it opens. It opens like that, and then this is how your glasses go in there. Of course, we have a toolkit in there right now. Look at how they put the little gems in here, shoved them right in there, in their little bag. So, do glasses fit in it? There's my real question. Do glasses fit in this case? Glasses. Gonna fold them up and put them in there. Oh, there's plenty of room in there. Look at that. That's sweet. That's cool. It's magnetic. So it holds closed because it's got a pretty good magnet in there. There's my glasses in there. How nice. They fit. And there's room for even larger glasses than that in there. That's sweet. And it is sturdy. It's got a crumb on it. It's sturdy. I love the magnet closure. That's nice. Wow. I'm kind of impressed with that. I'll link all these things below and their prices and whatnot. And none of this stuff was expensive, you know. It's all $4, $5, you know. Maybe the next one's a little bit more, but nothing was over 10, I know that. I think this whole order cost me like $23 or something. Here's some of our, oh look, we got little gold slivers. And then we'll get little red slivers in case you don't have enough slivers. White ABs. And then the rest of these will probably be rhinestones. Yep. Blue, pink, gold, green, rhinestones. Nice. I like the little eyeglass case. That's pretty cool. I like it. Yeah. Of course, they had several different styles, and I just chose one that I thought I'd get a lot of color and, you know, fun. So, yeah. Nice. I like that one. I like the eyeglass case. This one, I don't know. This is pretty cool, though. I just kind of saw these pop out, start showing up on sites and things. And then, you know, once you see it one place, then it starts showing up everywhere. So, anyhow, this is kind of neat. I'm going to keep that bag to put all this back in. Toolkit and our drills. These are cool. There's some cool stuff in there. Okay, so what is it? Well, you drill the front. It's got this cute pot of flowers. Flowers. I'm assuming that means flowers. It is a photo album. Okay? So, nothing fancy here, but oh, look at what it does. Woo, it's an accordion photo album. Now, it's just plain brown, but here's my thought. You know, it's got little holders here for the pictures. So you can like pop this out right here, see? And then your picture can go in there. And they're double, well no, they wouldn't be double-sided. You'd go like this and fold them out. All right, you could always cover that brown with some other paper if you wanted to make them look nicer. Oh, you do the back as well. Oh, that's cool. You drill the front and the back. It's two-sided. There you go. So you could, you know, you either get a really big picture and fill the whole thing, or you could put some pretty little paper in there and cover up that brown. But I thought that was a neat idea. That's pretty cool. Wow. All right. So when I pulled this out of the bag, I saw something in here which I think is pretty neat. Something I haven't really gotten before in one of these little kits, okay? First of all, here's our little special gems. Look, we got, ooh, I've gotten some of these snowflakey things before, but not in just like a silver. That's cool. Tiny little slivers. These are slivers. And then a little bit bigger. And they're all pinks. And then that one's like the iridescent. And then the little tiny slivers. And then we get our rhinestones. But there's something else in here. I'll show you what else is in here. So lots of pinks, silver, some green for the leaves. This is like a taupey brown champagne-y color. These are, I don't know, like a gray. That kind of gray. All right. And these are AB. That's what I saw shining through the bag. These are little purpley ABs. I've never gotten just AB drills before with these special drill kits, except for like those white ones and green or something. I've never gotten anything purple. That's pretty cool. Pink, and then this purpley color. So yeah, neat stuff. Like I said, it was a hunt for special, unique, different kinds of things. So I think I managed to find some stuff that's a little different. A little cool. So I think I accomplished my goal. What do you think? So there you have it, you guys. The little photo album. I love the eyeglass case. I'm probably going to use the eyeglass case myself. Really, I think I will. A couple bookmarks. And then, of course, these barrettes. Those might be kind of cool. I might actually, you know, when I'm dressing up to go out somewhere, I might throw one of those back in my hair and whatever. We'll see. Anyhow, you guys, that's what I got in this fun little order. So thanks for watching. And it's now 7:30 and it's time for me to go to work. So I got to like try to put all this stuff away real quick and fly out the door. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe button. See you in the next video. And I got to run. Bye-bye.